This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your browsing data on the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To delete your browsing data, you want to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says History. Click on History. And then right up here, Clear Recent History. Click on Clear Recent History. A little dialog box will open up. It says Clear Browsing Data and Cookies. It says When. The first thing is it gives you an option on how far back to go. I'm going to click the drop down. The last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, since 12 a.m., or everything. You would choose between one of them. How far back do you want to go? Everything would be, you would be clearing it out completely. Then you would select what you want to be cleared. Do you want browsing and download history cleared? You would check this box. If not, you would uncheck it. Do you want cookies and site data cleared? Do you want temporary cached files and pages? Do you want to clear saved form info, site settings? After you select what you want cleared, you will go down to the bottom and click on Clear. Takes it just a second and it is now cleared out. That is how to clear your browsing data on the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.